Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Timothy or Timmybug, and are you looking to purchase a nighttime projector? Maybe a projector to put some stars up on your ceiling. Maybe you have this blank wall and you really like the stars, so you want to put some stars up on the wall. Well, then I have the product for you. Presenting the Astrollight Nebula 2.0 projector. Also, thank you to Astrollight for sponsoring this video. If you want to pick up your very own Nebula projector, then head on over to Astrollight.com. I'll leave a link in the description down below, and use code Timmybug at checkout for 10% off. That way they know that I sent you. Let's stinking go! Okay, so there are two ways to control this. Method number one, the manual mode. You just hit the buttons on the projector, change lights, wheel. Method 2 is the app control, where you pair an app on your phone to the projector, and you can adjust it from your phone. Alright, now that I've thoroughly skimmed the manual, let's heckin' I'll be honest, I've seen Galaxy projectors in rooms before. I have a friend who has one. And they're pretty stinking cool, so I'm really excited, really looking forward to seeing what this have to offer. The amount of these universal chargers I have is starting to become unfunny. I think I counted yesterday and I have like 30 or 35. Point up, press power button. That's right, it's not on. Ah! Yo! Dude, that's actually kind of dope. Like, I don't even have my lights on, and that's real cool. Yo! I literally just opened up the app, and the choice to add the device came in. Yeah. Okay, so you do have to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Let me connect this. Give it a minute to successfully pair to your Wi-Fi. Nice. Yo, you can change the color. Oh! Well, that was very cool. So you can set a time that the lights go off. That's nice. That's real nice. Bro, that's so cool. Thank you all so much for watching my review of the Astrollight 2.0 Nebula projector. If you guys want to pick up your very own nighttime projector and make your walls exciting, then click on the link in the description down below, or go to Astrollight.com and use code Timmybug, that's Timmybug, for 10% off. And I believe Astrollight's also running another deal on top of that right now, where I think it's like 20% at the time of recording this. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, I will talk to y'all later. Also, there's another video coming soon on this projector, so stay tuned for that.